everybody, welcome back to another step-by-step lesson. Today, I am really glad to see you here. I'm going to be talking about Squarespace, which is another website builder. This one's not entirely free. They do have a free trial, but then you do need to upgrade to use all their features. But since I did Wix and Weebly, I wanted to also include this in the Let's Just Try to Make a Website series and see how easy it is and see what our results are. So anyways, this is Squarespace. I'm going to I wanted to see if they, oh here, let's see something. I wanted to see if it had any information. I haven't looked at this before. This is my first time on this website. So blogging, SEO's built in, analytics. I wanted to see if they had their pricing, mobile editing. Oh, that's nice. You can do it on your phone. Here's start a free trial. I wanted to see if it had their pricing listed, but I don't. What's this? Oh, yeah, so pick your currency. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's see if it says it on this page. No. Okay, well, I guess we'll just play around. We're gonna do our baking website again. So do we have food? Here we go. Let's go to food. Let's see, we want to sell products. Sure, we'll have a contact form. I don't know. Let's have a physical business. That sounds good. Okay, let's see. We're collecting inspiration, formalizing an idea, turning a project into a business. Sure, let's say we're doing that. I have no idea. Okay, it's hard to do this when you don't really have a business, but okay, so we're going to have, these are the kind of things, an online store. Sure, food online store. Okay. Start with Palmera. That's a, oh, I see. So these are the templates, so we can look through and see if we like any. Okay, so these have the big image and then the little, look, let's see. So if we do preview, let's see what they look like. Okay, so we can have pictures of our cupcakes on the front, and then there was our products. There's another products. It's pretty straightforward. That's pretty. Let's go with that one, sure. Start with that design. La-di-da. Okay, so this would be interesting. I haven't played with this before, so let's call it, I don't remember what we're calling our Cupcake Fun. Sounds good. I don't remember what we called our bakery last time. Okay, to add, edit, and remove text or images, and to customize a page, use edit. That makes sense. You can customize every section on a page. That sounds good. Create pages. Add and remove pages in the Pages panel. When you're done, organize them to create a navigation menu that helps your users explore your site. So this one's not as automated, it doesn't sound like. Style pages. Use the design panel to define your site's unique look and feel. You can customize your site by picking designer fonts and color themes. Okay, so it seems like we have a lot more options here. There's our assistant. Let's try to do it without her. Is this going to close that? Okay, good. Okay, so let's pick our design. Oh wow, we have a lot of choices here. So we have our fonts, colors, animation, spacing, buttons, product items, image blocks, browser icon, lock screen, checkout page, 404. Okay, so we have a lot of choices here. The fonts look fine. Let's see what different colors we have. Okay, so I guess we get grays mostly. Let's see if we wanted to add some pinks. Let's have some pinks. I don't know if this did it live show us what the difference is. Oh yeah, so that added some pink. That's nice. That looks bakery-ish. Okay, so let's save that. So we changed our color a little bit. Let's go back to design. Let's go ahead and see what the fonts look like. The ones they had gave us are fine, but let's see what else we have here. Select an element on the page to open up style settings. Okay. Let's see. Switch. What else do we have here? Oh, okay. So we've got a few to choose from. Let's go with this one. I kind of like this. Okay. So there we go. So now we got our fonts. We changed our colors. Let's see what else we get to do. Back to design. We have some animations. I'm not sure what we're going to animate. To animate site elements as they appear on the page. So right now they're just scrolling. Those guys are spinning. Not sure I like the spinning. But those aren't our images. So we might have to wait till we have our images in here. Let's go ahead and go spacing, buttons, product items. Let's see. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of choices here. Let's go ahead and ignore this part for right now and see if we can. It says we can edit anywhere. So let's see. Our story, journal, contact. What's on the journal? Oh, so this is like a blog. Okay, that's cute. Here's our story. That's kind of be like about us. So can we just like type here? No. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. So it says edit. Let's click edit. Now can we type? Okay, we have to click edit first. Okay. I don't know. Okay, whatever. That's it. Yes, you just click and then you can type in whatever you want. Oops, this rolls. Whatever. Okay. We get the idea. So then how do we change pictures? Let's see. Do we just... Okay. So there we go. So let's say we want to... How do I put a new picture? I don't know. Image editor. Okay, well, I don't really want this picture. It doesn't really fit with my bakery. But I don't know how to add. So this is not as simple as the other ones that we have. Go to this page. See if we can change these. So I don't really want a lily, obviously. I want to, so I want to edit my product. Is it doing anything? I'm not sure what's going on here. Well, this is not a very easy editor, to be honest, and things don't seem to work. So you click on edit product, it's not really letting me edit the product. Not able to edit any of this. So, let's go back. There's our, let's go back to our website. Okay, it takes me back to this page, which is our main page. Product block. The product connected to this block is unavailable. It may be hidden, unpublished, or deleted. Double click here to search for a different product. Okay. Okay, we want products. Okay, so this block, edit. Show image, show title, show price, show description. Show add to cart button, alignment. Okay, I really want to just upload my image. I don't know. So this isn't that simple. You're going to have to read some instructions or maybe follow the tutorial, which I'm not going to waste your time doing that. So I'm just going to summarize that I don't believe Squarespace is a simple builder. I don't think someone without any experience would be able to just hop in here and make a page real quick like the others. Wix and Weebly were both very easy to use. You didn't have to have any real knowledge to make a pretty decent looking page. You could just fumble through and figure it out. This one, it looks like you're going to need to do some research and figure out how their how it works, what their yeah. So here's edit site header. I don't know. It just seems a little bit more involved. And if you're going to go this far, go all the way to WordPress, because if you're going to learn something that's not going to cost you a lot of money, and it's going to be more flexible. Like I said, I couldn't even find the pricing on here. Let's see if we can find the pricing. Yes, discard this. Let's go back to see if we can figure out how much this even is. Oh, I don't even know how to get back. Let's see. How about this? Okay, let's hear. Here's our plans and features. Okay, so personal, business. So gives you a bit of features. So if you're going to sell anything, you have to go to commerce. So if you just have a regular business site and you just want some pictures and information about your business, this is probably the one you're going to use. It's $18 a month. Anyways, I am not going to continue on with this because I just don't think it's a simple drag and drop type builder. I think you're going to have to really spend some time and play around with it, follow the tutorials, and get some get some more information. But like I said, if you're going to learn something new, look at WordPress. It's really it's the industry standard right now. It's very popular, and it's very, very flexible. You can make a page look exactly like you want. It's not simple either, but once you learn how to use it, it's very flexible, and you can just really customize down to every little detail that you want. And anyways, so yeah, that's my summary for this. I had high hopes, and it might work great. It's just not as simple as I was hoping. I was trying to compare it to Wix and Weebly, which both of them were very easy. I was really impressed with Weebly. Watch my video on Weebly. That one was very simple to use, and the site looked pretty nice. And it took me like 5 minutes. So anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for listening.